Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on July 30, 2022, 4-star Sudoku. 8th row and 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 4th row and 4th grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Seventh grade. Then column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. No, 4 is confirmed here. 9th grade. 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, column B, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C and second row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column B, column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. First grade. 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 8, 9. 4th row, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. There are only 1 number remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, and 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 9 also here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. 5th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 7th grade. 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column D, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Tenth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column G, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 3. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column F, column G, we have 9. 7th row and 5th row also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Second row, third row, we have 7. Column I, column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5, it will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row and sixth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. We can confirm 5 also here. Sixth row and third row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Third grid, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4, it will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Seventh row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 5. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column E, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column D, only 1 numbers are remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G and 5th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. 5th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 5th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column G, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column H, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column J, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Sixth row, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Second row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column E, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column F, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.